Alright, now let's take a look at page, it shouldn't be 106, it should be 107. Structured question number 28. Alright, so the reaction here, it should be a piece of lithium is burning air, and the product is lithium nitrate is formed. So the first one, if we write a chemical equation, so we write the word equation first. Remember, it used to be like when lithium is burning air, then the word equation would be metal plus oxygen, and then form metal oxide, right? But if we take a look at the product here, the product here says lithium nitrite. If that is nitrite, then probably, can I write the oxygen here? Probably not, right? We will change it to which like gas has N, like the most abundant gas in atmosphere. This one should be nitrogen. Oh, sorry, no M. Also plus lithium at the front. Let me change this into, oh, not duplicate. Change the style into black color. Similarly here. Now, if I have the word equation, can I write the chemical equation then? The symbol for lithium should be Li. What's the symbol for nitrogen? Remember 7 diatomic molecules. So if you don't remember, let's record here. H2, N2, O2, and all the other 4 are from group 7, right? It will be CO2, F2, Br2, I2, right? These are the 7 common diatomic molecules. So here, form lithium nitrate. This one, we'll have to do a cross method. The charge for lithium is plus, and charge for nitrate 3 minus, right? And we do a cross method and simply put the numbers here. This one will be 3, and here will be 1, right? So here will be have lithium 3 and here. Alright, let's take a look at this equation. Is it balanced? Probably not, right? How about we start with nitrogen first? How many nitrogens on the left? We have 2 nitrogen, right? And how many nitrogen on the right? We only have 1. So we put a 2 in front of it. Then let's take a look at lithium. How many lithium we have it now? 2 times 3 equals to 6 lithium, right? How many lithium on the right? Only 1. So we will put a 6 in front of it. Alright, remember what is the last step for writing the chemical equations? Right, the states, right? The states here should be solid, gas, and also solid. So this is the final answer. Oh, the final answer for A1. Alright. The second one is that to calculate the mass of lithium that react with nitrogen. So let me copy the balanced chemical equation here first. And what do we have here? So in the question it says at 1.25 grams of lithium nitrate, right? So let me put a mass first, and then we have 1.25 gram of lithium nitrate. So it only given us 1 mass. Then we don't need to determine a limiting reagent. Simply calculate the moles, right? Molar mass, right? And here, what should be the molar mass for lithium nitrate? We have 6.9 times 3 plus 14.0. The answer should be 34.7 gram per mole, right? Remember for mole, the formula should be, yes, mass over molar mass. So now we use 1.25 gram divided by 34.7 gram per mole. The answer should be 0.03602, right? So in between the answers, we wrote it as a full significant figure. Alright, what does the question ask about? The mass of lithium that react with nitrogen. It asks about the mass of lithium. So if we have the mole, can I directly calculate it? It shouldn't be, right? We should use the mole ratio to calculate. The mole ratio, what can we derive it from? So simply take a look at the coefficient. It's 6 to 2, right? Can I simplify it? Like, you should have learned the factors, right? Is there factors that's in between these two? Like, we can divide it both one by 2, then the answer left one be 3, right one will be 1, right? So we do it with the 3 to 1 ratio here. Or you can also use 6 to 2. The calculation steps will be exactly the same. And then if we want to get the mass, then we have to know the moles, molar mass, and the mass, right? So let's calculate the moles of lithium first. Always putting the one that we know at the top, and the one that we didn't, always put the unknown at the top, and put the one that we know at the bottom. So it will be 3 to 1, and times the mole there. It should be 0.03602 mole, right? So it times it by 3. The answer should be 0.1081 mole. Right. What is the mass for lithium? Can I write 6 point something? 6 times 6.9? Can I? Think about it. Because this one is molar mass, right? It has to be mass in 1 mole. So for 1 mole of lithium, it should simply be 6.9 here, right? So we put 6.9 here. We have the mole, we have the molar mass. How can we calculate the mass? Remember, from the right, it's divide. We move to the left, then will be times, right? So the mass here, we use 6.9 times 0.1081 mole, right? The answer should be 0.746 grams. Because this one is the final answer, I will put it at 3 significant figures. So eventually, we have 0.746 gram of lithium that react with nitrogen, right?